My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the managing director of Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a United Kingdom company that invests in American mortgage debt. We purchase packages of mortgages in the United States, actually in the state of Texas. So we're a UK company that buys Texas mortgage notes. Today, I am going to answer the question, why would a bond buyer prefer an Alamo Mortgage Holdings bond over a gilt? So a UK bond, a gilt, a UK government bond called a gilt. Why would a bond buyer prefer an Alamo Mortgage Holdings corporate income bond over a government UK gilt? Well, good question. First, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. The answer is UK bonds saw a 1.3 trillion pound drop in value since the start of 2022 for several reasons. The first is the increasing interest rates, which have impacted the market value of longer-term gilts. UK bond buyers may prefer the higher returns offered by Alamo Mortgage Holdings bonds, and that the bonds can be denominated in US dollars. They want to get out of that pound sterling. They're sick of seeing it just go down lower and lower for decades. They would like to get into something that pays, that is a currency that goes up in value instead of always going down in value. The Bank of England has raised interest rates 8 times this year in an effort to shield the UK economy from high levels of inflation. The inflation is quite high now in the United Kingdom. For example, the Financial Times did an analysis that reported a bowl of tomato pasta had increased by a staggering 60% since last month. That's 60% in a month, not in a year, 60% increase. The price of cooking oil was also up 65%. The British pound sterling decline in value has several factors. One contributing factor is the energy price shock after the UK government announced a spending plan that many thought would lead to higher inflation. To contain inflation, the Bank of England will likely push its main policy rate to 5% in the coming months, according to Michael Cahill, a foreign exchange specialist in Goldman Sachs research. Over the past month and a half, a lot of upheaval has been present in the market. The economic challenges are significant. The out-of-control inflation has created a new cost of living crisis in the United Kingdom. Raising interest rates to try and reduce inflation and stop the pound from continuing to weaken against the dollar will result in more deterioration in fiscal outlook. Many FTSE-listed companies are in a position where they now must issue profit warnings since the costs of doing business have risen so much. If you're in the situation where you have pounds, if you have pound sterling, and normally you'd want to purchase these gilts, these government bonds, but you're looking at all this inflation and the pound endlessly losing value against the dollar, then Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. Alamo Mortgage Holdings offers corporate income bonds that, in addition to paying hundreds of basis points more passive income than UK gilts, also give institutional and accredited investors the option of easily and painlessly converting out of pounds into US dollars. Alamo Mortgage Holdings works with institutional and accredited UK investors looking to find the fastest way out of gilts into something that pays income and also gets them into US dollars. The US dollar has for decades been gaining value against the British pound sterling. Many family offices in the United Kingdom are looking for investments that let them reduce the concentration of their holdings denominated in sterling, and who can blame them? There are many reasons that mortgage note investing is excellent, since it allows someone to purchase immediate income. The only downside to mortgage note investing is there is a bit of a learning curve to do it properly. By making the wise decision to purchase Alamo Mortgage Holdings bonds, an investor is able to obtain the passive income they are seeking. However, they also avoid having to do the frontline negotiation to find deals and go through the time-consuming and rigorous due diligence process that Alamo Mortgage Holdings performs on our acquisitions. If you are an institutional or UK accredited investor thinking of reducing your gilt holdings but want to replace it with something with more potential upside, Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. Alamo Mortgage Holdings, a privately held UK company, offers corporate income bonds that offer higher rates of return than UK gilts. If you would like to learn more, if what I've said sounds interesting, fill out the contact form. Contact us at alamomortgageholdings.co.uk and just fill out the contact form. You can request some free information. We can schedule a Zoom or Google Meet introductory call. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.